read an article that said mucus in your airways can actually cause snoring. AirPhysio actually helps break down the excess mucus that's clogging my airways. This is a natural way to help the source of snoring so I can finally sleep peacefully. AirPhysio is a mucus clearing and lung expansion device. So it actually cleans the mucus from your lungs.
You blow into the AirPhysio hard enough to lift the ball a little. If you are able to break up some mucus, you will be able to productively cough it out. And then you just repeat as necessary.
My husband hates it when I snore. It keeps him up at night, and I've tried everything to help it, from nasal sprays, allergy pills, neti pots. But with AirPhysio, I use this every night and I've noticed such a difference.